Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add bird to your pictures on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the gallery button to select a picture that you want to edit. After that, slide to the right side of the screen till you find the birds option and click on it. Here you can apply a full bird to your picture, and if you swipe to the right side you can see that you have other bird styles that you can try out, such as the hipster, goatee, mustache, grand goatee, lion and petit goatee options. So feel free to try them out if you are a premium member, but the first one is available for everyone, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.